Okay, we are doing an inspection for 2455 St. Andrews Place. Okay, and St. Andrews Place is down there. Okay, this is the street, and I'm here on the roof. Okay, the building has 200 units. 200 units. So we have a big system here. We will need to use 70 solar panels here on this roof. And we actually got lots of foam, not just here on this level, but there's another level down there. As you can see, this is like a parking level, and actually I believe we can put all the panels down there, and instead of putting panels here, we can just run shorter pipes to this parking level, and I will check it when I get down there. Okay, so we can put all the panels here on the lower level, and the tank can be there. And then we can connect to the riser from down there, and also the trash chute. Okay, so we can we will not actually need to run through the trash chute if the panel is going to be here. Okay, but we will need to connect to the riser. Okay, okay, so this is a boiler room here behind this wall. We have 4 boilers. Okay, 2 small ones here, 399,000. Okay, 399,000. Okay, and we have another one here behind it, 399,000 too. Okay, and these are the circulation pumps here, these two. And the pipe sizes here coming from these boilers on the side are 2-inch pipes. Okay, 2-inch pipes here from the boilers. Okay, 2-inch pipes for both of these small ones. Okay, the gas pipe, I don't see the gas pipe here, should be. Okay, and we can see here there's a circulation pump here. Okay, and yeah, here's the gas pipe here too, and this huge tank, 3,500 gallons. Okay, this huge tank here, 3,500 gallons. Okay, and we have these 2 huge boilers behind the tank. Okay, each one of these boilers are each one of them is 1 million, as you can see, 1,000,099, almost 2 million, 2 million BTU per hour. And the vent is up there. Okay, this is a gas pipe. It's actually a hose. Okay, and pipe size here coming 2.5 inches, and then they get together here to 3-inch pipes. Okay, and they are going to the tank. Okay, and these pipes are going to the units. Okay, and lots of electricity here, and it seems we have like controllers here for these boilers, combustion systems. Okay, so we will find a tank location on the ground, and I'll try to locate the riser. Okay, and as we mentioned, we will put the panels at the lower level. Okay, so we don't have to run like pipes all the way up here. Okay, we have like first floor parking. We can put all the panels down there. Okay, and the heat exchange will try to connect to the riser again. Okay, thank you.